In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a DC motor using SmowCode. It's pretty easy to use it, but as it gets controlled by just one node, and it's pretty simple and fast and very convenient to use it to control a DC motor. So in my program, I'm controlling it using time. You can also control it using a user based input like a button or something similar to that, or control it using an output based as well. So if you get an output which is equal to 5, then the motor turns on, something like that. In my case, it gets turned on after the flow gets called after every 1 second. It gets turned on, it stays on for 3 seconds, then gets turned off, and then stays off for 2 seconds. And this means that it would get called every 2 seconds, and we can see that it should be on for 3 seconds and then stop for 2 seconds. And if we go to the node and see its properties, you can see that you have a config property. If we go in that, you'd see that the first one is a motor mode. It lets you choose your motor, whether it's a 1-pin motor which has no direction specification, or a 2-pin motor which is direction control. Mine is a 1-pin, so I'm choosing that. Then you choose the GPIO pin which you are connecting to the DC motor. Mine is connected to pin 13. And then there is the switch. I mean, you choose the mode, whether you want to turn it on or turn it off, and then you choose the direction. This is only chosen and works when your motor is a 2-pin, but in our case it's up to us in which way we want to turn it. So the other node is the same node, but it's just chosen to turn it off, so you don't have the extra feature which asks you for the direction. The properties are the same. I've chosen the 1-pin motor and the pin is 13. If you want to select the node, you can just type in motor and you'll get the motor library with 2 motors, the DC motor and the servo motor, which we saw in the last video. And let's see the output for this code after uploading it to our ESP32. And let's upload it to our ESP32. Before uploading it, I just wanted to say that DC motor are used vastly in real life as well. They are used in electric cars and electric bikes. They are also used in many of the home appliances like cooling fans in laptops, cars and homes. Apart from that, they are also used in robotics, in the power wheels and the arms and conveyor belts and robotics as well. So let's upload the code to our ESP32 and let's see the output. So we have uploaded our code and you can see the motor is moving. It should stop for 3 seconds and then it starts moving again. You can hear it, you can't see it, but I'm sure you can hear it in the video. And this is how you use a DC motor and control it